Let's get something straight. If you want a woman to be obsessed with you, you can't keep playing it safe. You're probably thinking it's about being the perfect guy, buying flowers, being overly nice, and doing everything she asks. But here's the truth. Women don't fall for men who are too predictable, too available, or too eager to please. In fact, that can make you seem weak. And guess what? Women don't fall in love with weakness. Now, if you want to be the man she can't stop thinking about, the one she can't resist, it's time for a shift in mindset. You need to learn the art of creating desire. You're not trying to force her into anything. Instead, you're creating a space where she starts thinking, "What's he up to? Why hasn't he texted? I want more of him." That's where the obsession starts. The real secret? You've got to make her feel like she's the one chasing you, not the other way around. When you step back, stop over-communicating and make your time scarce. That's when she'll start putting in more effort to keep you around. She'll start noticing you more. She'll want you more. She'll think about you when you're not around. But be warned, this isn't about playing games. It's about setting a standard and making her rise to meet it. If you're willing to challenge her and keep her on her toes, the results will speak for themselves. Are you ready to flip the script and learn how to make her obsessed with you? Let's dive in. 1. Stop being too available. One of the most common mistakes men make is being too available. It's almost like you're trying to be the perfect guy she can lean on at any time. But here's the thing. When you're always there, she won't chase after you. She won't see your value because you're too easy to get. Think about it. When something's easy, it loses its appeal. Women, like everyone else, are attracted to things that feel valuable. If you make yourself too available, you're sending the message that you're not worth the chase. But when you pull back and make her work for your attention, you're creating the type of mystery and excitement that makes her want you even more. When you stop being readily available, you create the space for her to think about you, miss you, and wonder where you are. The more she wonders, the more she will want to reach out to you. For example, imagine you've been texting her every day, replying within minutes to her messages. Over time, she starts to take it for granted. But then, you start slowing down. You don't always respond immediately. You let a few hours pass before replying. Suddenly, she starts noticing that you're not always there when she expects you to be. She starts wondering why you're not texting her back and begins thinking about you more than before. That's when you've got her attention. It's important to note that this doesn't mean playing games or being cruel. It's about creating healthy space and showing that you value your time and your life. When you give her room to miss you, it creates desire. She will begin to crave your presence. And that's when you start to hold power in the relationship. Stop being at her beck and call and watch how she starts coming after you. This is how you spark attraction, because when you're always available, there's nothing for her to chase. Give her space and you'll make her think about you more than ever. 2. Create emotional intensity. One of the most powerful ways to make a woman obsessed with you is by creating emotional intensity. Women are drawn to experiences that make them feel something deeply. When you keep things light and casual all the time, there's no emotional charge, no real pull. But when you engage her on a deeper, more intense emotional level, she'll find herself thinking about you constantly. But don't get it twisted. Emotional intensity doesn't mean being overly dramatic or creating chaos. It means tapping into her emotions in a way that stirs her heart. You want her to experience those roller coaster feelings where she's excited, nervous, and even a little unsure of herself, all because of you. Think about it this way. When she feels alive in the moments with you, whether it's from a spontaneous date, an intense conversation, or even a challenge you present her, she'll start to link those feelings with you. It's the difference between a boring, predictable relationship and one that sparks fire. A big part of this is knowing how to build tension and then release it. It could be through playful teasing, moments of silence where you don't immediately respond, or even getting her to chase after something you've teased but haven't fully revealed yet. This isn't about manipulation. It's about creating a dynamic where she feels like she has to fight for your attention. You'll notice her emotions begin to mirror yours if you create these moments of tension. The highs and lows of excitement, desire, and anticipation make her feel something she can't shake. Now, this doesn't mean you need to create emotional roller coasters all the time, but sprinkling in moments of emotional intensity here and there will make her more addicted to your presence. When she's on that emotional ride with you, she'll begin to associate that intensity with you. And that's how she starts to develop an emotional obsession. If you can master the art of emotional intensity, you'll make her crave more of the feelings you create. Keep things exciting, a little unpredictable, and leave her always wanting more. 3. Be a challenge, not an open book. One of the most crucial things you can do to make a woman obsessed with you is to be a challenge. You might be tempted to reveal everything about yourself up front, but here's the thing. When everything is too easy, it gets boring fast. People crave mystery. If she knows every little detail about you too soon, there's nothing left for her to discover. But when you hold back just enough, it sparks curiosity. Being a challenge doesn't mean playing games or being rude. It's about showing that you have your own life, your own passions, and that you're not desperate for her attention. You want her to see you as someone who is valuable, someone with a purpose, who isn't just sitting around waiting for her to text back. It's about having boundaries and standards, and sticking to them. When you're unpredictable in a way that keeps her on her toes, you become more intriguing. Think about this. The more she has to work for your attention, the more she will value it. It's human nature. When things come too easily, people often take them for granted. But when someone makes an effort to keep your interest, you start to value them more. This challenge doesn't need to be extreme. It could be as simple as not always being available, keeping a little distance when needed, or being selective about how you show affection. If you're constantly available, constantly giving her all of you, it makes you seem like you have nothing better to do. That's not attractive. Women want someone who has a full life, who is living his own story. When she sees that you have your own goals and life outside of her, it makes her want to fight for a spot in your life. You stop being just another guy and become a man she has to prove herself to. A little challenge goes a long way in making her obsessed. It's about creating that desire to figure you out, to earn your affection, and ultimately, to want you even more. Keep her guessing, and make sure you're someone she can't easily forget. That's what gets her hooked. 4. Stop being a pushover. Stand your ground. If you want a woman to become obsessed with you, stop acting like you're just there to please her every whim. Men often make the mistake of becoming too accommodating, always giving in, hoping that will make them more attractive. Newsflash, it doesn't. In fact, it makes you seem weak and predictable, and women don't want that. Women want a man who stands firm in his beliefs, a man who isn't afraid to say no, and who doesn't fold under pressure. If you're constantly trying to make her happy at your own expense, you're showing her that you don't have a backbone. You're not adding value to her life. You're just filling space. Being a pushover never leads to respect or obsession. Instead, it leads to frustration because she can't respect someone who can't even respect themselves. It's time to wake up and realize that your time, your boundaries, and your emotions matter. Being assertive and confident in your decisions doesn't mean being rude, but it does mean not letting her run the show. Women are attracted to men who have a sense of self-worth and who aren't afraid to protect their own time and energy. When you let someone walk all over you, you're teaching them to lose interest. Now, this isn't about being a jerk or being confrontational for the sake of it. It's about not letting her call all the shots, not letting her take you for granted. When you stop being the nice guy who says yes to everything and start showing that you have your own life, your own wants, and your own needs, she starts seeing you as someone worth pursuing. If you're always bending over backward to make her happy, you're not making her obsessed. You're making her comfortable. And comfort doesn't lead to obsession. A man who stands his ground creates an undeniable attraction. You need to realize that when you stop being a pushover, you become a man who is truly worth her attention. Women don't fall for men who are always available, who are always giving in. They fall for men who make them earn their attention, who make them think twice about whether or not they're worth it. So, wake up. Stop acting like her approval is the only thing that matters. Own your worth, stand firm, and let her see that you're a man who is just as interested in his own happiness as hers. That's the kind of man who makes a woman obsessed. 5. Be unpredictable. Keep her guessing. If you want to make a woman obsessed with you, you need to keep her on her toes. The moment she can predict everything you do and say, the excitement fades. She stops wondering about you, and that's when the attraction starts to die. The key to creating real obsession is to remain a little mysterious. Don't let her know everything about you right away, and don't fall into the trap of being too available all the time. Unpredictability doesn't mean playing games or acting like someone you're not. It means not giving her everything she wants on a silver platter. When you keep some things to yourself, you create curiosity. She starts to wonder what's going on in your mind, what you're up to, and where she stands in your world. That mystery is magnetic. Women are naturally drawn to men who have depth, who aren't completely easy to figure out. This doesn't mean you should be distant or avoid her at all costs. You still need to show interest, but mix it up. Be unpredictable in your responses, your actions, and the way you express yourself. If she's used to you being available 24/7, take a step back and focus on other aspects of your life. When you don't reply instantly, or you make her wait a little longer than usual, she starts thinking about you more. It's that uncertainty that creates attraction. When you're always available, you become part of the background noise. But when you show her you have your own life, she'll start obsessing over what you're doing and who you're with. Being unpredictable also means not always being the nice guy. The nicest guy often gets overlooked. Sometimes you need to show a little edge, a little attitude. This doesn't mean being rude, but it means having your own opinions and sticking to them, even if it's not what she wants to hear. Women are more attracted to men who have the courage to disagree, to challenge them, and to stand firm in their beliefs. The key takeaway here is simple. Stop being predictable. When you're predictable, you're boring. When you keep her guessing, you become an enigma that she wants to figure out. Keep the excitement alive, and you'll be the man she can't stop thinking about. Predictability kills attraction, but mystery fuels obsession. Here's the truth. If you're always available, you're never going to be the man she obsesses over. It's a harsh reality, but it's the truth. The more you chase her, the less she'll chase you. The more you give her what she wants, the less she'll want it. Women are attracted to men who have their own lives, who have the courage to be unpredictable, and who know their worth. If you want to make her obsessed with you, stop making yourself so accessible. Keep your power, keep your mystery, and never let her see all of you at once. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. Have you tried any of these tactics before? What has worked for you and what hasn't? Drop your experiences in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one, and I'll be reaching out to create a connection with you. Let's build a community of men who are ready to level up and become the kind of man that women can't resist. Stop chasing. Start being the man she can't forget. The power is in your hands. Use it.